Hi everyone, I am Dr. S. Amada, Assistant Professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today now we will discuss about the concept numbers and string. Then in your Python programming languages. The numbers normally it's considered as the whole numbers and fractional numbers and complex numbers. In this the three types of numbers is available in this Python. It is data type is also using integer, float, complex. The variable assigned to a numeric value at the time of initialization only they identify the data types. Based on that assigned value only to identify the your data type. For example, x equal to 1, that is x equal to 1, x equal to 1 means it is a whole numbers. It is considered as an integer. Y equal to 2.8, it is considered as a floating number. It is considered as a data type is float. And z equal to 1j, it is a complex number. They no need to specify any data type. Based on the value only they identify the data type of a particular variables. If you want to display the type of variable using a type function. Your type function is the inbuilt function. For example, print of type of x. Your x's value is 1. Now 1 is the integer. Now it's display the output as class int. For a print type of y, the value is 2.8. Now it is a float number. Now the type is class float. 1.j is a complex for the z variable. Now your print of type of z is considered as class complex. This is the example. Integer. Your int or integer is a whole number. It is either attacked as a positive or negative. Without any decimal point, it is a whole number. It is unlimited length. It is specify any number of digit values. X equal to 1 and for example x equal to 1, y equal to 3, 5, 5, 6. It is a unlimited length. And z equal to minus 3 to 5. It is a whole number, it's only considered. There is no negative and positive. And it is also accepted. And this is your output is if you want to display the above 3 type is similarly using a type function. It acts as a inbuilt function to display a type of a particular variable. And the second one is a float. Float is that floating point number. It's have a two parts. One is the whole number, another one is a fractional number. In between of they occur a decimal point. And it is also accepting a positive and negative number. One or more decimal is also accepted. Now x equal to 1.10. It is 1 is a whole number, decimal point followed by a fractional number. It is considered as a floating type. Y equal to 1.0, this is also accept, and z equal to minus 35.59. It is a negative decimal point. Now type function to display x, y, z. Now the output is class float. Complex number, it is written as a j. Here complex number using the letter is j. It is an imaginary part. For example, x equal to 3 plus 5j and y equal to 5j, 5 equal to minus 5j. It is a complex number. Example, using a type function to display a type of that above variable, it is a complex. Type conversion. The type conversion or typecasting. You are converting a one data type to another data type is also called as a type conversion or typecasting. In this conversion, integer to float and float to complex, these are all the methods available. For this example program x equal to 1, y equal to 2.8, z equal to 1j. Now your a equal to float of x. Now x is already initialized x equal to 1. Now this 1 converted to float. Now your output is 1.0. B equal to int y. Y is a float number 2.8. Now it's considered converting to a float to integer. Only consider as a whole number. It's remove the fractional part. Now your output is 2. Z equal to complex of x. Now x is 1. Now integer value converted to complex number, that is 1 plus 0z. There is no imaginary part. Because of that 1.0j is display. Now print of a comma b, it is a display the your conversion value, that is type conversion value, and the print type of A means it's display the conversion type. String in your Python is using either a single quotes or double quotes. It is, if you want to assign a string within a two type, single quotes and double quotes. In this example, hello. Here say within a double quotation and single quotation. Display a string using a print function, that is using a order of characters, that is a sequence of character. The both thing it's display a same output if you using a single quotes or double quotes. The character position also displayed in your string. It's starting the index is 0 to n minus 1. In this example, s equal to hello comma world. This is the sequence of character assigned in your index, that is 0 to 11. It is also negative index also available. It's beginning with minus 12 to minus 1. The first index is minus 12 means it's decremented by minus 11 in your negative index. In your positive index, it is a positive index. Positive index means incremented, negative index means decremented. Here above 1 is S of 4 means O is display. Here S of minus 5 means it's display W. Concatenation, the concatenation of the two string using a plus operator. For example, S1 is hello, S2 is bold means S1 plus S2, the both variable string is concatenated. Repetition. Repetition is you specified within a